how are you today?
Hi, Anna. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. I was feeling a little tired earlier, but now I feel better.
That's great. I'm glad you're feeling better. What are you doing today?
I don't have any plans, actually. Just wanted to relax a little. How about you?
I'm going to the cafe to get a coffee and maybe a snack. Would you like to join me?
Oh, that sounds nice. I was just thinking about going out for a coffee, too. What time are you going?
I was thinking of going in about 15 minutes. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect. I'll get ready and meet you outside.
Hi, Anna. You look nice today.
Thanks, John. You look good, too. Ready to go?
Yes, let's go. So what have you been up to this week?
Well, I've been very busy with work. I had a lot of meetings and calls, but today I'm finally free to relax. How about you? How's your week been?
It's been a little busy for me, too. But I've also had some free time, so I'm happy about that. I've been reading a new book.
What book are you reading? Is it good?
Yes, it's a mystery novel. It's really exciting. I love books that make me think.
That sounds interesting. I like mystery books too, but I haven't read one in a while. Maybe I should start one soon.
I think the weather is perfect for sitting outside today.
Yes, I agree. It's sunny but not too hot, just right for a nice cafe visit.
Exactly. I love sunny days like this. Not too warm, not too cold.
I think I'll have something light to eat today, maybe a salad. How about you?
I'm thinking of getting a sandwich, maybe a ham and cheese sandwich. What kind of salad do you like?
I like a mixed salad with tomatoes, lettuce, and some avocado. I also like it with a light vinaigrette dressing.
That sounds healthy. I think I'll try that next time, but today I really want a sandwich.
I love this cafe. It has such a cozy atmosphere.
Yes, I agree. It's my favorite spot in the city. They have great coffee and the staff are always friendly.
Definitely. I come here every weekend to relax. It's my little escape from work.
I understand. It's important to have a place where you can just sit and enjoy a good drink or snack.
Absolutely. Do you come here often?
Yes, usually 2 or 3 times a week. I like to get a cappuccino or a latte.
I usually get an iced coffee or a smoothie. I love cold drinks when it's warm outside. So, what do you think of the new movie that came out last weekend? Have you seen it?
Yes, I watched it with my friend last Saturday. It was really good, but a little long. How about you? Did you watch it?
No, I haven't had time to go to the cinema. I've been so busy with work, but I'd like to see it soon.
You should. It's very exciting. I think you'd enjoy it. Maybe we can go together next weekend.
That sounds great. I'd love to. I think I need a good movie night after all the work I've been doing.
I'll have a ham and cheese sandwich and a cappuccino, please.
I'll have a mixed salad with avocado and an iced coffee, please. Thank you.
So, are you going anywhere for vacation this year?
I'm thinking about going to the beach. I really need to relax by the sea. What about you?
I'm planning to visit my family in another city. It's been a long time since I've seen them, so I'm really looking forward to it.
That sounds nice. Family time is always important. I hope you have a great trip.
Thank you. I'm sure I will. By the way, do you have any fun plans for the summer?
Yes, I'm planning a road trip with some friends. We want to visit different cities and explore new places.
That sounds like so much fun. I'd love to do that too. Where are you going?
We haven't decided yet, but we're thinking of driving through the mountains and stopping at small towns along the way.
Wow, that sounds like a beautiful trip. I hope you have an amazing time.
Thanks, I'm really excited. It's going to be a great adventure. Thank you. This salad looks delicious.
And my sandwich looks great too. Let's eat.
This is so good. I love the dressing on the salad. It's the perfect mix of flavors.
My sandwich is amazing. Just the right amount of cheese and ham. I'm happy with my choice today.
I'm glad. It's always nice when the food is just what you want.
Exactly. It makes the whole experience better.
So, do you have any hobbies, John?
Yes, I love playing guitar in my free time. I've been learning for a few months now.
That's so cool. I'd love to hear you play sometime.
Sure. Maybe next time we can have a little music session at my place. I'll play and you can sing if you want.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I'm not a great singer, but I can try.
No problem. It's all about having fun. Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy painting. I like to paint landscapes and nature scenes. It helps me relax.
That's awesome. I'd love to see your painting sometime.
I'd be happy to show you. Maybe I can bring one to our next meetup.
That was delicious. I feel so much better now. I was really hungry.
Me too. It was the perfect meal. I'm so glad we came here.
Definitely. We should do this more often. It's nice to catch up and relax.
I agree. Let's plan to meet again soon.
Yes, let's. It's always great spending time with you, Anna.
Thanks, John. I really enjoy our conversations. See you next time.
See you soon, Anna.